Okay, so here's my 1984 Jetta with the 1.6 liter turbo diesel. And it has been cranked in almost 48 hours, and it's 46 degrees out here. So we'll see what happened. Oh, it actually cranked it pretty nice for a change. Damn radio that the idiot put in this thing is not in there right, and vibrates. I haven't fixed it yet. It's really annoying. My alternator belt's slipping, so the low voltage light stays on once you hit a certain RPM. I don't know if the camera picked up, but my dome light and everything got brighter. So I gotta fix that. It's kind of weak. Sweet, merciful silence. So, yeah.